Today I'm going to go to the Ecological Building Network's Green Building Expo being held at the Vet Center here in Santa Rosa. The disaster that struck us as a community in 2017, where so many people lost homes, is also presenting a wonderful opportunity to us. And the outcome that we create here has the ability to make our communities more vibrant, more resilient.
And between the metal roof, the defensible space that the owners had created, the fire-resistant straw bale walls, and a moist landscape immediately adjacent to the house, they survived. Their home survived. And
there's so much information that is provided by the folks that are involved in this community. The people who are fundamentally have been involved in the alternative buildings technologies, such as straw bale, rammed earth.
The wood source is recycled pallet wood, of which there are billions in America.
So solar and highly efficient appliances and the things that can be looked to help us reduce the cost of ownership and operating costs for our homes, as well as creating an environment that is healthier to live in.
We're with the Sonoma Marine Saving Water Partnership, who work to develop a set of 8 landscape plans for use for the rebuild for homeowners that need to meet the statewide Model Water Efficient Landscape Ordinance. The idea with these templates is to help to streamline that a little bit for homeowners.
You can go and see some of the products and look at what might make sense to be integrated into your own home, whether it's a remodel or a new house, as most of us are contemplating here in Sonoma County.